Hi, Kriti.
Hi, sir. How
Fabulous
are
to
you?
see you again. I'm so happy to see you. Just take us through. Is it really true that you took 4, 5 weeks only? First of all, because nobody believes. And is it really true that you were so nervous and weak at in the very beginning?
I mean, I work for 12 hours and 14 hours at times, 2 weeks. I relentlessly studied, worked on the concepts. Because I remember when I joined your first live session, you said, do not rush on time. That you want to finish everything on time, or I'm taking so much of time. Do not have that notion. First, have a solid fundamentals with you, and then think of having that time. You can finish within that timeline, and that is what I did. First, I made my foundation really strong, worked on concepts, and then slowly and gradually, then I started reducing the time of the number of minutes I was taking to solve one question. 4 weeks, I was any which was given a deadline that if you don't submit the score by then, whatever I had, it'll go off. So for me, it was either do or die condition. So
So
4 weeks.
actually, did you take 4 weeks? I mean, did you make 4 weeks of preparation, 5 weeks? How much did you prepare for? I mean, I really want
Uh,
to know this.
so it's close to 4.5 weeks of preparation. I mean, four
Four
and a
and a
half week was the time when I gave my exam. 770 when the score flashed, I was like, no, this is not possible.
right,
Maybe something has gone really wrong with the system.
right.
Initially, what a lot of people also ask me that, how did you pace it up? How I'm like, my pacing started way later. My pacing started in Feb. Initially, my whole time was understanding the depth, getting into the every question. Why is it that way?